Hi guys, in this video I will solve your doubts on how to transfer money from gift card to Cash App. So if you launch your Cash App mobile application and if you go to your profile and click on the option of linked banks, then you will not be able to see any of the options of gift cards. So as of today, you cannot actually add your gift card to your Cash App mobile application. You can only link your bank account or your credit or debit card. But with the help of Cash App, what you can do is you can send the gift cards to your friends or family members. So if you want to do this, then you just have to launch your Cash App mobile application, and there you will be able to see the option of gift cards. So you will have to select that option, and after that you just have to enter the amount of at least $1 in order to initiate the payment. Then you need to tap on the pay button from the home screen. Then toggle payment type to gift card, then choose a gift card from the variety of the merchants. Type your recipient's unique cash tag, current phone number or email address. Then you need to enter an optional note in the for field to describe the payment. Afterwards, you need to select a payment source and then press the next button. Then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to send that gift card from Cash App to your friends or family members. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.